Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to email Tinder to get unbanned. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in Tinder support. Simply tap on the first link which is shown. Once you do this, you need to simply tap in trouble with account login and what can we help you with. On what's going on, you can simply tap on can't login, my account was banned. So once you do this, you need to now enter your email address. Then once your email address is typed, you need to then type in your phone number as well. So once both the credentials are done being filled, all you need to do is to type in the description about how the Tinder account or your Tinder support can help you recover your Tinder account from being banned and get it unbanned. Now simply press on the submit button, and in this way you can email Tinder to get unbanned. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.